Welcome back to my channel, guys. I hope you're all doing good. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I clean my makeup brushes. It's super simple and it also saves water. But before I get started, I hope you know how important it is to clean your makeup brushes and sponges. It is to avoid the bacteria that may just settle on your brush with continuous usage. If you want to also increase the shelf life of your brushes, then I highly recommend to clean your brushes on regular basis. You can clean your brushes after 5 to 6 uses, but it also highly depends on the amount of product and the kind of products you are using. So without any further ado, let's get started. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, do end up giving me a thumbs up. And now let's start cleaning our brushes. So you will need a tall container. I'm going to use a glass in which we will put some water and our brushes, some baby shampoo. You can also use a liquid detergent, a brush cleaning pad. This one I got from Primark, and of course your dirty brushes. And I'm also going to use some expandable mesh covers, and this one I got from Pack. I will leave the link to this in the description box down below. I'm going to take my glass and fill a little bit water, then add the baby shampoo. I'm going to be a little generous as I have plenty of brushes to clean. Then I'm going to take the brushes and dip them in the glass. As I go along, I'm going to give the water a little swirl just to dissolve the shampoo into the water completely. We need to ensure that only this part of the brushes are immersed in water and not all the way to the stick. Once I've put all the brushes in the water, I'm going to leave them for at least 20 minutes. So my brushes have been sitting in this water for about 20 minutes, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take each one of them out individually and then just swirl it on the brush pad. You need to ensure that you're applying gentle pressure and going in circular motions for the fluffy or the blending brushes. This will maintain and not spoil the hair of the brushes. Once I see that the brush is clean, I will put it aside and clean all the other brushes the same way. I prefer to do the small brushes first, as I feel the bigger brushes need to stay in the water for a little longer than 20 minutes. Now when it comes to flat brushes, I use swiping motions to clean it, and the most important rule to remember is to go against the grooves on the cleaning pad. I've put these brushes in another glass with a little bit water, and before taking them out, I'm going to give them a quick swirl so as to clean all the soap from the brush. Then I'm gently going to press the hair of the brush to squeeze all the water out. You have to ensure that you are squeezing the water out and not pulling the hair of the brushes. This might damage the brush and may not last you very long. And to clean them further, I'm going to dip them again in clean water and squeeze the water out. Now my brush looks extremely clean, and to finish it off, I'm going to take a mesh cover and put it on the brush and lay them flat on a towel to air dry it. I prefer to air dry my brushes for at least 24 hours, but if you want to use them in a couple of hours, I highly recommend you to swivel your brushes on a dry towel before you put the mesh covers. Like this, they will dry out a little faster. So this is how I clean my brushes. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care, keep your brushes clean, and thank you for watching.